Remember this ad? New Finish once made the claim that you could run your car through 52 automatic car washes and the water will still bead. With technological advancements and environmental elements seeming more extreme these days, let's see if New Finish is still up to the test. As you can see, New Finish is such an easy product to apply, and you only have to do it once a year. We're about to prove that again. We've applied a full coat to this everyday family car, and let's see what happens. See, the water still beads, showing that New Finish polish will keep your car looking great and protected longer than any other car polish. New Finish, the once-a-year car polish, available at all good auto parts stores.